Well, you can have multiple sheets in one spreadsheet. Click the plus sign at the bottom left and the new sheet is added for you. You can rename it by double clicking it, or you have the option to click on the down arrow and you have the option rename. You have many more options: delete, duplicate, copy to, rename, change color, protect sheet, hide sheet. We can also make a copy. First, let me show you how to duplicate. Click duplicate and a duplicate of sheet 2 is right here. We can also open a new spreadsheet to a different location. Click the down arrow. Select copy to, then click new spreadsheet. Then click open spreadsheet and you can see a spreadsheet is open in a new location. You can reorder your sheets according to your needs and demands. Easily differentiate your sheets by adding color to it.